So what's up? Kamusta? Ayos ba tayo dyan? So last time nakita natin itong Express 500 Racer ng FKM at ngayon naman makikita naman natin ang Express 500 Scrambler. So kita nyo naman napakaganda ng itsura nito. So tara, ikutan natin at gusto kong ibigay sa inyo kung magkano nga ba ang presyo nito at kung ano nga bang specification na maibibigay ng isang to. Solid din ng isang to. So tara, ikutan na natin. Let's go. So ayun na nga, isa nga to sa mga nilaunch or in-unveil ni FKM dito lang na nakalipas na Makina Moto Expo 2025 or Makina Moto Show. So isa rin to sa mga 500cc na nilabas ni FKM. Pero ang isang to, pinagkaiba naman dun sa Racer, ito kasi ay naka-scrambler type. Ayan, kita naman natin sa gulong, meron siyang fender na maganda at iba rin yung kanyang headlight dito. So syempre same specification lang din naman ang maibibigay ng Scrambler at ang Racer. Pero sa looks, dun sila talaga nagkatalo. Pero mas okay pa rin ako dun sa Racer compare dito. Pero kung mahilig ka sa mga off-road gaming, pwede ang isang to. Lalo na yung presyo nito na sobrang baba lang din. Mamaya malalaman nyo kung magkano. And kita nyo naman, forma pa lang, napaka-astig na nito. Naka-spoke wheels tayo rito, harap at likod, naka-tubeless na rin. At syempre, magandang specs ng isang to. Oo nga pala, share ko nga rin pala ulit sa inyo na yung nasa likod nila ay ang bundok Mount Arayat. Kasi nga, yung base ng FKM Motorcycle Philippines ay nasa Pampanga. Kaya yan yung pinaka-background talaga nila. Share ko lang din, trivia lang. Baka kasi magtaka kayo, ano yung bundok na nasa likod, diba? Okay, unahin na natin ang specification ng engine. Ito nga pala ay naka-parallel twin cylinder. Naka-dual overhead cam, naka-8 bulbs, liquid cooled, at yung kanyang displacement na 500cc na may maximum power na 35 kilowatts at 8,500 RPM na may maximum torque na 43 Newton meter at 6,750 RPM. EFI na rin to or fuel injection. Naka 6-speed manual transmission na rin to. At para naman sa kanyang front suspension, ito ay naka-inverted shock absorber. Sa rear naman ay naka-mono shock absorber. Front tires, meron tayong 110 by 80 by 19. Rear tires naman ay 150 60 by 17. Tubeless na rin yan. Sa kanyang disc brake, harap at likod, ito ay merong ABS. Opo, naka-dual channel ABS po tayo rito. At para naman sa kanyang overall dimension, ito ay may 216.4 by 85.1 by 120.3 cm. Sa wheelbase naman, meron tayong 144.1 cm. Seat height na may 83.9 cm. Ang ground clearance, 20 cm. The curb weight, medyo mabigat ang isang to, 192 kilograms. At meron itong fuel capacity na 13.5 liters. Malayo-layo na rin ang mapupuntahan mo bago ka ulit magpagas. Astig, diba? At para naman sa presyo ng Scrambler, ito ay nagkakahalaga ng 278,000. Halos 10,000 difference compared dun sa Racer type. So sa tingin nyo, sulit nga ba ang ganitong motorcycle ngayon 2025 para sa 500cc? Hindi ka na magsisisi, diba? So yun na nga. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. Abangan nyo yung ating full review para sa mga motorcycle na FKM. Lalo na yung itong Scrambler type nila. Gusto ko rin masakyan. Baka abot natin.
Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Wake up, every day feels boring. The routine in the morning. Grew up too fast without warning, and when it rains it's pouring. I got dreams, big dreams, I wanna do big things, but I just can't seem to put it all together. I just wanna be seen. I'm jumping ship, I'm a diving, middle of the ocean, swimming till I find it. I see an island out ahead, filled with things that I've wanted since I was a kid. Swim through it with every muscle I've got, sucking down water in my lungs till I cough. But I won't give up, I'll never stop till I wash up on the sand or my heart finally stops. I will be the best, headed out for change, I just started on my quest. Yeah, the world will know my name, I'm excited, I'm obsessed. No one in my way but myself and a test. Yeah, I will be the best, yeah, I will be the best. Life is just a game, I'll be playing till I rest. I'll be there to claim my own spot among the best. Deep within my mind, I'll put all my fear to rest. Cause I will be the best, yeah, I will be the best that I can. I gotta study, I'll cram, I gotta make up a plan to give me some kind of chance. I gotta enter a new mode or else I'll get KO'd. My life's at a crossroad, I'm ready to reload. I gotta learn some kind of lesson from my past. I made mistakes but I learned how to react. I love the chase but I need a new path to have a chance to get what I wanna grab. A good life has a good purpose, something that makes everything that you're doing worth it. Something with a bigger meaning that's under the surface, cause that's what's gonna keep you working. It's a journey to make it, I got a life in the making. I choose how I'm gonna shape it, I got new lights in rotation. I flip a switch, I'm fixated, I'm sick of patience and waiting. My destiny is awaiting. I will be the best, headed out for change, I just started on my quest. Yeah, the world will know my name, I'm excited, I'm obsessed. No one in my way but myself and a test. Yeah, I will be the best, yeah, I will be the best. Life is just a game, I'll be playing till I rest. I'll be there to claim my own spot among the best. Deep within my mind, I'll put all my fear to rest. Cause I will be the best, yeah, I will be the best. This life is a journey worth taking, every breath in it is sacred. It gets hard and frustrating, but trust me, you just gotta embrace it. Cause what's a journey without enemies? You need some friends, a foe, and an identity. You need an arc, a battle, a little tensity. Create a little bit of energy. I know we don't start the same, but life ain't fair, that won't change. You can't expect that from games, yeah. You might be worse off than others, but better off than another. So just move forward, discover, yeah. What you like, what you need, what you see. Every little thing that you wanna be.